Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have my weekly grocery haul. This haul is from Walmart. It was about $150, and I'm going to start on this side and work my way over to the other side. So produce wise, I got about 1.5 pounds of broccoli. We've just been in a huge broccoli kick lately, so I got 2 of the largest crowns that I could find. We got some blackberries. I did eat a few on the way home. They're really good. I got another head of cabbage, which is in here, just the regular green cabbage. And then I also got a head of iceberg lettuce because I want to do BLTs one night, and I also use iceberg on my husband's sandwiches and wraps. I got some strawberries, some mandarin orange, the little easy peel mandarin oranges. My son likes these. I packed them in my husband's lunch and I eat them as well. I got another of the Yoplait Original that we've been loving, these cups here. This one is the blueberry and mixed berry. We've been alternating between these and then the one with the strawberry and peach and the one with the strawberry banana and the strawberry. I've just tried to alternate them each week. I got the Mott's cinnamon applesauce pouches. These are in the clear pouches. My son can take these to school for snack, and I like applesauce with, like, when we have pork chops or any kind of pork, you know, tenderloin. I can just squeeze one of these pouches into a little bowl because I like it like dipped. I like to dip my pork into it. I also got these Pillsbury blueberry biscuits with icing. I have never seen these or tried these, but I like getting Pillsbury little breakfasty, you know, cinnamon rolls and stuff like that every once in a while. So I thought these would be good to have as like a little breakfast option on a weekend. I don't even know if we'll need the icing because depending how sweet the biscuits are, we might not need them. I never knew that Cheez-It Extra Toasty came in individual packs. I've been buying this box for as long as since these first came out, which I'm guessing is like probably 2 years now. But anyways, I got a box of the family size extra toasty Cheez-Its, and I also got a box of the individual packs that I can pack in my husband's lunch. Grady can take to school for a snack, and I can also take on the go, and it's good for portion control. I got another box of the Jack Link's beef strips. I've mentioned a couple times, I think the past few weeks, I have these on Amazon auto delivery now, but for some reason they're not going to be delivered until like the next week or two. So I just got those to hold us through. I got some Purdue chicken wings. We are going to do some wings on the grill, the barbecue grill, with some Cattleman's, which I'll get to. I am very, very excited to be able to grill. It's going to be in the 40s and 50s, which I've mentioned before. I know that's very, very cold for certain people, but here in upstate New York, 40s and 50s in March is like a summer day. So we're going to grill these one day on the barbecue grill. I also got this large, this is a 48-ounce, 3-pound container of ground turkey. I'm actually going to cut this in half. I'm going to freeze half, and then the other half I'm going to make that turkey zucchini vegetable dish that I have been talking about. I shared it in my most recent What's for Dinner video, and I did link it there as well in case you want to check it out. But I'm going to make that with half of this, and the other half I'll probably freeze and save for turkey burgers on the grill. I also got these Sargento balanced breaks. Again, I've never purchased these. I've never even noticed them. They do say they're new. They are a cheese and cracker pepper jack and Colby with little Ritz mini crackers. Once again, for my husband's lunches. I'm just looking for things I can pack him for snacks that are different. So they just look like that. So hopefully he'll like those. I think he will. He likes crackers and cheese. I got the Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage. I have been using and loving this product for many, many years. I would say I discovered it right around the time when my son was born, so 9 years ago. The larger one I can cut into 3 portions and get 3 different meals. It's just one of my favorite, actually definitely my favorite sausage meat to cook with. I use this in some type of recipe every single week. It's delicious and I highly recommend it. I did grab some random little pouches for my cat. Most of you know, if you have a cat or pets, there's a major pet food shortage, at least here, and I've heard from other people there is too. So I just try to grab a few pouches here and there when I can until her regular food comes back into stock eventually. I got some Cabot Vermont extra sharp cheddar cheese, burgers, grilled cheese, snacking. We go through quite a bit of this for different things. I also got some emerald glazed walnuts. I like these on top of salads. They're also good on their own for snacking. I got the Parents' Choice. This is the fragrance-free sensitive. These are like the bulk pack, so there's no individual packs. It's just a big thing of wipes. I just got it to refill our wipes dispensers that we keep in the bathroom. And I like the Parents' Choice wipes a lot. They're really nice. I got some Great Value butter flavored spray when we do pancakes, waffles, French toast, eggs, that kind of thing. A small thing of half and half. I use this for different recipes if it needs a splash of half and half or cream. This, I mentioned earlier with the wings, is my favorite of all time barbecue sauce, the Cattleman's Carolina Tangy Gold. If you've never tried this, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I could put this on literally anything. I could dip French fries in it. It's not just for meat. I could use this as a condiment. I've put it on burgers, dogs. It's just so good. It's like a mustard-based barbecue sauce. It does have a little kick. It's not super spicy, but it definitely has a kick. And this is the free from high fructose corn syrup. I know that's important to a lot of people. So I just wanted to mention that. If you find this and you're curious, give it a try, as long as you don't mind that little bit of kick. These are the Van's Kitchen. I have tried different items from this brand. These are the 5-pack egg rolls in the pork. I did get 2. It says it's a women-owned, made in the U.S. business. I thought that was pretty cool. I've never noticed that before when I've had other products from this brand. I plan to freeze one of these and use one of these this week. It says you can bake them in your oven. And I thought these would be good with some veggie fried rice. I already have duck sauce, so I thought these would be good to crisp them up in the oven and then just make like a nice veggie fried rice using up different veggies as a side. Sargento Swiss cheese for my husband's sandwiches and wraps. He loves Swiss. Simply Potato shredded hash browns. I'll probably do some hash brown casserole with this. I absolutely love these potatoes. I don't know what it is about them, but they are absolutely delicious. I got some Minute Maid Zero Sugar Pink Lemonade. I get one of these either every week or every other week. I love it over a nice glass of ice in a tumbler cup. It's just so refreshing. My husband's currently obsessed with these Cape Cod Dark Russet chips. So I did get 2 bags. These are pretty hard to find, at least in my area. Cape Cod in general is a very popular brand. I live in the Northeast in upstate New York, so this brand is very, very popular here, and these are almost always sold out. So when I do continue to buy them, I'm going to buy them 2 at a time because my husband just loves these so much. He says they're like literally his favorite chip. I also got these Snyder's family size pretzel sticks. That's what my son likes. He takes a little baggie to school sometimes. I got the Snapple Black Cherry Lemonade in the plastic bottle and the Snapple Mango Madness in the plastic bottle to pack for my husband's lunches. I like to pack him 1 or 2 like fruity or carbonated drinks in his lunch cooler. He does mainly drink his water from his water cooler, but he's thirsty, he works hard, and I like to give him a variety of drinks. I also found these Starbucks Frappuccino. This is the brown butter caramel with a splash of cold brew. It sounds really good. These are expensive, but I do like to get these every once in a while for him. So I thought they'd be good, and they are expensive. I think they're like $2.75 each, so I just got a couple of those. I also got my husband some, he wanted another pair of base layer long pants. He's working up north, about 50 miles north of where we live, and it is extremely cold there in the mornings. I'm talking single digits. And he's working outside a lot of the day, so he asked for me to get him another pair of these base layer. They're just the cotton, very simple, no frills. long pants that he can wear under his work pants, and I think these were like $12 or so. And then I got ginger ale, the Great Value brand, for my husband, and then the mini sun-kissed orange for my husband. Again, I just like to give him a carbonated drink, a fruity drink, and then he'll have his water cooler the rest of the day. So that's everything I picked up today. I'm gonna share now my meal plan for next week. All right, so meal plan for next week. One night we're gonna do those chicken wings on the grill with that Cattleman Gold barbecue sauce. We'll have some kind of veggie or a salad depending on the night, and then we'll have rice or pierogies for like our carb. I'm gonna do that turkey zucchini skillet that I have talked about in my last dinner video over some spaghetti. I will link this recipe down below in the description box. It's really tasty. BLT sandwiches one night with oven fries. I have regular potatoes and sweet potatoes, so I'll just cut them into wedges and do some kind of oven fry. I'll toss them in some olive oil and rosemary, salt and pepper. I've got shrimp, so I'm gonna skewer those. I'll use some kind of a marinade, and then we will grill up some veggies as well. We might even do like shrimp skewers and veggie skewers and do them both on the grill. I also have chicken breast and boneless, skinless chicken thighs, so we will grill some of those. And then I'll either make hash brown casserole or sweet potatoes, and then I'll make some steamed broccoli. I'm gonna do the sausage veggie soup with cabbage. I also add a little bit of pasta into it. That'll be an easy meal to throw into the crock pot on a busy day. And then of course I have my freebie night where we can have leftovers, we can have breakfast for dinner. I can just kind of freestyle and make whatever we have on hand. But that is the meal plan for the upcoming week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.